Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up a payment for your Shopify account with a UPI. So let's get right into it. Now, UPIs are used for several things, and they are in several countries. As far as I know, they're in India, Bhutan, and France at the moment. France only recently accepted the unified payment interface this year, so you can use it in any of those countries, and you can use whichever app or whichever service uses a UPI. Now, what you're going to want to do to set up a payment is you're going to go into settings in the bottom left, and here you get this window right here. Now, if you go to plan, if you don't have a plan, you can choose a plan, and then when you choose one, you will be prompted to enter your credit card information so that you can be billed when your trial ends or when the next payment cycle starts. Now, what you're going to want to do if you already have a payment method and you want to add another one is go into billing. Once you're here, you just want to click add payment method and select the payment method type. As you can see, since I'm region locked, I cannot select anything else than credit card and PayPal. However, you could choose a UPI option depending on the country where you're at. Then once you do that, you're going to follow the standard setup procedures for the UPI of your choice. You can download the app on your phone and get the ID so that you can connect the app with your Shopify account, and once you do, your billing cycle will take your money from that account which you set up. Now, if you set up several payment methods, I'm pretty sure that you need to select a main one, which will be the first one where money will be deducted from, and then the secondary ones will come into play if you don't have enough funds on your account at the moment. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.